Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 activation issues, especially when you get an error code and can't find a troubleshooter for it inside the settings. Normally, Windows has a built-in activation troubleshooter, but sometimes it just doesn't show up or it fails to run properly. Don't worry, there are still ways to fix it manually. First, let's make sure your product key is entered correctly. Press Windows to open Settings, then go to System and scroll down to Activation. If it says Windows isn't activated, click on Change Product Key, then enter your valid Windows 10 or 11 key, then click Next and activate. Sometimes this alone refreshes the activation process and solves the problem instantly. If it doesn't, there may be corrupted system files causing Windows to reject your key. Let's fix that by running a couple of system repair tools. Click on the Start menu, type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type this command and press Enter SFC/scannow. This will check your system for corrupted or missing files and automatically repair them. Once the scan finishes, restart your PC and check activation again. If you're still getting an error, let's go deeper with another repair command. Open Command Prompt as Administrator again and type DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore halls. Then press Enter and wait for it to complete. This process can take a few minutes, but it helps fix underlying Windows image or registry issues that might block activation. When that's done, restart your computer again and go back to Settings, System, Activation to see if Windows is now activated. If you're still facing problems, make sure your Windows edition matches your product key type. For example, don't try to activate Windows 11 Pro using a home key. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable since Windows activation requires an online check with Microsoft servers. Once everything is correct, try entering your product key again, and in most cases, activation will finally succeed. And that's it. If this video helped you fix your Windows activation error, leave a like, comment below which method would work it for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and clear Windows fix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.